Today we're going to show everyone how to add a listing to your business. First thing, you need to be logged in, and most importantly you need to have a business added. So as before, you add a business via this, you walk through the business listing and submit it. Once you have the businesses added, you can then create additional listings. Additional listings may be a career, promotion, discount, event, funding and support, opportunity listing or resource listing. So let's go ahead and create a listing. So we're going to add an event. So important to note, this here relevance for adding a business first is that this enables you to tie up your listing to your business. So if you click this icon here, this will bring in certain elements from your business, which may be your address, your social channels, your website, so on and so forth, and your email. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll then add all the relevant information. If it spans multiple days, you can change this here to be multiple days. Or if it's an all-day event. And we just walk down around the various fields. You add your logo, you add your banner at the top, and submit the listing, go through the checkout. Once you checked out, you can actually view your listings by going to Profile and Listings. Here you are able to see everything that you have created for your profile. Here we have the business that we just added. We have the events. And if you want to change any element of the event, you just go in, click Edit, and you're free to modify anything that you want. Submit the listing. Once you have submitted the listing, your listing is live. And you're free also to add any other type of listing that you want. You go through the same process of adding a listing and pulling in the linked information if you want. Again, you don't have to do this. If your event is maybe at another location, it's not applicable, and just fill out the required fields.